Hey there, beautiful people. How have you been? And how's the Sunday treating you so far? I have been away from this platform for quite some time, and this time onwards, I really hope that I'm more consistent in putting up the videos. The reason I took this small sabbatical was that I felt I was getting influenced into putting out video content. And by influenced, what I mean is maybe I was doing it just because everybody else was doing it. So, in this small break that I took, I stayed away from social media to quite an extent. I did a lot of inner work, shadow work, as some like to call it. I put myself into a more disciplined life, like waking up early, working out regularly, eating healthy, meditating quite a lot. Um, what I realized that many a times I often end up living the life only in my head. I mean, of course, having something in the head is the blueprint to having it actually, or manifesting it actually. But I was stuck between transcending my inner reality to my outer reality. And that's why what I did in this sabbatical that I took was I just prioritized and then went ahead and did things. And I would like to emphasize once again that I went ahead and did it because, like I said, half of the times we are always living lives in our heads rather than actually living it in an outer reality. And I'm sure I'm not the only one. And if you have experienced something like this, or if you have found a way to transcend your inner reality to outer reality, please let me know. I would really love to know uh, if there is another better way of doing it. I'll tell you how I found that sweet spot. One word: prioritize. It really helps. All said and done, and as cliched as it may sound, prioritizing helps a lot. And then just live one day at a time. And the reason I again say this is, see, there's so much I want to get done. I want to accomplish so much, and I keep on listening to motivational content, and I get overwhelmed. And in my Josh to do everything in one day, we all know that we just have 24 hours in a day, and something is bound to get missed. What used to happen with me is, in attempting to doing everything in one day, at the end of the day, most of the things would just be left half done. So this is where I find a happy spot for myself is prioritize and then just dedicate one day. Live one day at a time and be fully there in that one day. And I promise you, by end of a day, by end of a week, by end of a month, and by end of a year, you will have accomplished so much. And speaking of transcending the inner reality to outer reality, I was able to accomplish something, and it really makes me happy to share that something with you. I was able to write a book. It's really a quick read. I mean, it's just, you will be able to just finish off this story in one day. This is not a marketing video. All I intend to come here and tell you is I was able to transcend my inner reality to outer reality by prioritizing and then living one day at a time and being fully there in that one day. On the other side, if you want to read my book Twice in a Blue Moon, I'll be putting the link in the description below. Do check it out and do let me know. Till then, see you and have a happy Sunday. And like I always say, keep becoming a better version of yourself every single day. And hoping to see you every Saturday or Sunday this time onwards. Like I said, I do want to put out more video content and explore that strength of mine as well. For now, this is what I leave you with. Happy Sunday. See you.